Alrighty, so let's talk a little bit about hosting your PBN. This is really important. It's important that you use a premium host, a mid-tier level hosting provider. You don't go in for cheap hosting, the $1 hostings, because that's going to get you de-indexed really quickly. I mean, your PBNs are going to get detected really fast. So it's important that you use sort of mid-tier hosting providers. I have a list shared with you with the docs that are accompanying this course. So go ahead and use that list. You need to make sure that whatever hosting you do, you use shared hosting. Okay, let's try and understand what shared hosting is. Basically, shared hosting is when multiple domains all are hosted across on the same IP address and on the same server. Of course, they could be on multiple servers, but they're on the same IP address, right? So what this allows you to do is it allows you to take your PBNs and hide them amongst other websites without exposing them. You can take multiple sites and put them on the same IP address, all belonging to you, but they're on the same IP or on the same shared hosting account. So you take a shared hosting, you buy a shared hosting for like $5, and that allows you to, say, for example, host 10 sites on that IP address or unlimited number of sites on that IP address. You take that and you take that account and you host all your PBNs on that one IP address. Okay, so basically what shared hosting allows you to do is you can put multiple sites on the same IP address. You can host them on the same IP address and have like a large number of other websites also on that IP address by different other clients of theirs and other customers of the hosting company. So it's a little tricky because, okay, so if you take a dedicated hosting, that means you have your own IP address and you have 10 PBN sites and you put all 10 on the same IP address, then there's no way you can hide your PBN, right? Because there's only your 10 sites, so it can expose you. And I'll really need to sort of explain this. This is really important to understand, and we'll go into details on this particular topic later on in the videos. But it's important that you take shared hosting so you can hide your PBN sites amongst other sites. You don't leave a footprint to Google. Of course, you need to also understand that you can't link from two different sites that belong to you that are hosted on the same IP address to the same money site, to your one money site. You can't link out. You can never link out to the same from the same IP address to the same money site more than once. So I'll explain that in the diagram on the next page. But right now I want you to understand that you must always sign up for a shared hosting account. That's what we're really looking for. We're looking for a shared hosting account so you can hide your PBN site amongst other websites. Okay, and so I'll see you in the next video.